Before 2026 starts, I needed to reset my life, but not in the way the internet tells you to. This one decision changed how I'm entering the new year. If you're also feeling stuck, tired, or behind, you're not alone. Bestie, I know you clicked this because you are looking for a little reset. A way to start fresh even if life feels messy. Even like opening a new page or tidying up can completely change the vibe of your day. Goodbye 2025. Hello new beginnings. This tiny calendar is a reset for 2026. Also, I made this calendar by myself because I don't have a printer at my home. I didn't start a new journal this year. There were still so many blank pages left, and honestly, that felt right. So instead of chasing something new, I decided to continue. Adding 2026 here feels like saying, I'm not starting over, I'm just moving forward. No pressure, no rush, just a space to grow. This is my way of entering the new year, slowly and intentionally. And if you are watching this, maybe you don't need to restart either. I'm also making a small vision board for 2026. I'm cleaning and resetting my desk. It's not about being perfect because perfection doesn't exist, to be honest, and it's about starting fresh. A calm space helps me to think better, and this reset feels like a quiet goodbye to 2025. This is my simple skincare routine. Nothing fancy, just taking care of myself. It's also important to drink water, besties. So, kawaii besties, the decision was slowing down and be calm, trust yourself. That's how I'm entering 2026. I wish you a happy new year and may this year bring you lots of happiness.